No, this bill is not specifically addressing issues of licensing of a particular product. It's not specifically addressing the issue of licensing beer or drugs or alcohol. It is on the procedures that are supposed to be applied when or used when one is applying for licenses. Now, the other details of which licenses should be given are now subject to the county assembly laws on how to license specific businesses. But this is what are the requirements for one to apply for a business.
Because investors don't want to do business where there's insecurity, because their life and their business are not guaranteed. So basically, we've also had this challenge also in this province, that's the former Northeastern province, and also where I come from. So, and most of the time we are really complaining that the government is not doing business in our region. And one of the factors, that has been really highlighted is because of insecurity. So I strongly feel that, doing business is only possible where there's safety and security of the people.